Big Daddy wanted some chili, and so I threw something together real quick. It was impromptu. Okay, y'all know I'm manifesting. I really wanted some chili, so I was thinking, what if Big Daddy said, "Can you whip me up some hot chili?" And I said, "Ooh, yes, I can." Run to the grocery store, grab all the different color peppers I can find, onions, garlic, and if I can get some chili seasoning, I'll grab that because it always helps. Want to make sure I have a little spice in there and it's seasoned really good. Throw it over some jasmine rice. Baby, it's going to be fire. I got to make Big Daddy keep coming back. I like two different types of meat because I like the different textures. I like to make it really hearty, and the more colors, more peppers, more onions and herbs, the healthier it is. The garlic and pepper so good for you, honey. And I grabbed me some bay leaves to throw in there as well. Yes, all you got to do is saute up everything and then combine it all. Let it simmer and cook down. I like chili best the next day, but I also like to do it slow and steady and keep stirring, and it will come out so good. All you got to do is put it over that rice, top it with a little sour cream, baby, and Big Daddy, dinner is served, boo.